Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed chicken with fermented tofu. So let's start cooking. We will now prepare the marinade for the chicken. I have with me over here 3 pieces of fermented tofu and 2 tablespoons of the sauce that comes with it. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of 绍兴酒 or 花雕酒, Chinese cooking wine, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, half a teaspoon of sugar. I'll be adding in also 1 thumb size of young ginger, julienne thinly like this, and 2 stems of spring onion, just lightly smashed. Put everything in, mix them up well, mash up the tofu. Now we'll add this onto our chicken. I have with me over here 1 kilogram of whole chicken cut into bite-sized pieces like this. You can of course use any part of the chicken. You can use chicken thigh or chicken wings, it's really up to you. Add in all the marinade. Mix them up well. I'm using my hand. Make sure you wash them first before you do this. This dish is very easy to prepare and extremely delicious. Goes very well with either porridge or even steamed rice. After you've done this, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix up well also. This will make the texture really very smooth and extremely tender. Once this is done, spread them out nicely on your steaming plate, and we'll just add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We'll let this marinate for at least 1 hour before we steam this. I'll see you back in a while. We'll now proceed to steam our chicken. Make sure that the water is boiling. This is very important. Put in your chicken, put the lid on. I'm using high heat over here. Please do the same also. We'll steam this for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 12 minutes is up. The chicken should be cooked. Let's have a look. Wow. Now to see whether the chicken is cooked already or not, just use a sharp knife. Look at places where it's thick. Just poke it down. Oops. Okay, if you see white juices coming up or not bloody in color, that means the chicken is done. We'll serve our lunch now. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Let's try the chicken first. The flavor is spot on. Very fragrant. You have this very special fermented tofu kind of fragrance around it with the 花雕酒. Really fantastic. Now I'll try the rice. I've put some of the sauce on the rice. I think this is really one of the perfect match. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our dish. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.